Hey Frugivores, welcome to this beautiful day. Today's video is going to be what I eat in a day, low carbs, low calorie. Wow, sounds amazing, right? Sounds really satisfying and sounds like the diet that's going to turn you into a crazy person, right? I've done these in the past, of course. It's just a waste of time, but unfortunately not all individuals have education on optimal human nutrition. So that's where we come in, right? So we're going to check that out on TikTok and yeah, leave a comment down below how you feel and let's get into the video. I'm going to continue to get this little workout. Okay, here we are on TikTok. What I eat in a day in a calorie deficit. I hate this. I hate calorie deficit. You know that. It doesn't work. There's millions and almost billions of people around the world doing a calorie deficit trying to lose weight. Well, millions. And it just doesn't work. They end up getting fatter. It's just a lie. It's not about the calories. It's about where you get them from. You know what I mean? It's the source of the calories. That's what's important. And keeping it low fat, high carb, that is the ticket. So let's try and help Aris journey, make that connection between, you know, what she's eating and how she doesn't have to restrict, just change the source of the food. Okay. What I eat 60 pounds down in a calorie deficit. So, oh, that looked like a half a banana. So she's putting half a banana in with a whole lot of ice into a blender. Chocolate, peanut butter, protein, banana shake. Okay, so you can see that big whack of protein powder there, which is just waste product. You don't want to put that one in. So that was like hardly any calories there for breakfast. You know, she's still got a decent amount of weight on her. I can see that. She needs much more than that to start the day. She needs a big ass smoothie. So she had tuna, crackers. So she burnt like nearly 500 calories, and now she's going to have. Okay, so she's having like crackers and a tin sea life, a sea animal inside a tin, and then a couple of grapes. It looks like she's probably counting those grapes, like Kayla It seems 405 calories. What is this sausage thing? That does not look good, sis. It does not look good. It's like chopped up carcinogenic sausage meat thing. And then she's got, okay, the beans and she got kale and vegetables. That bit doesn't look too bad, yeah. The other bit though is like, whoa, okay. Good on ya. That's good. She's you know, she's working out, she's pushing herself. That is really great. She just needs to nourish herself correctly now. So what are these balls? 4 ingredient protein balls. I do not want that recipe. I don't, but thanks for offering. Pirate's Booty. Look at this marketing. What is this shit? Aged white cheddar, rice, corn puffs, and the brand is Pirate's Booty. Oh gosh, that looks so unsatisfying. Look at that little bag. I would polish those off in, 10 seconds and have to eat another 20 bags to get any level of satisfaction. I snacked, she said, I snacked on some Pirate's Booty. So many of you know that I am the author of Go Fruit Yourself, which is a raw vegan book. It shows you exactly how to do it. It shows you all the mistakes that I made when I first came to the raw vegan movement. So I highly recommend this one if you're trying to go raw in particular. And of course, Raw Till 4 is a great transition to all raw, to the Frugivore diet, which is all raw. And this includes a cooked dinner. So it gives you a little bit more freedom, and it's a great transition if you're wanting to go all raw. So check out my books, the link is in the description below. These are going to change your life. This is all my work right here, all my life's work, and you can get it for the price of dinner and a movie basically. So very proud of these books. Check them out and go fruit yourself. All right, okay. Rice, okay, so she's having rice, good. Lettuce, good. And then she has the dead turkey in there. She got the dead bird. Obviously, that's not good. And that's where it goes downhill. And she's got, I think, solidified bovine secretion cheese there. She says, I only ate half. I didn't have an appetite. I find that, yeah, I find that very questionable. And the chips.
Probably just felt bloated.
Yeah, she could have felt bloated. And also just, it's like this calorie restriction thing. We're like, oh, just push away half the plate and stuff like that. It's just bad. And here's some more packaged stuff. Like, what is this? Glutino Forever, gluten-free, covered pretzel fudge. Okay. Chocolate pretzels. Yeah, that seems to be a bit of a thing, those chocolate pretzels. I can't think of anything less appealing. So, Aris, what you got to do is go fruit yourself. I know, like, it sounds like I say that a lot, but I'm going to continue saying it until everyone does it. Because she had, like, literally, it seemed like half a banana. I think the whole day. That's the only sweet fruit she had. Half a banana? She had the tin, like, mercury tuna. Then she had this sausage abomination thing, like carcinogen. Then this protein ball thing. Where's the fresh, sis? Oh, yeah, she got some lettuce there. But honestly, that doesn't count for anything, really. Not much at all. And no sweet fruit. Whoa. Recipe for disaster. If you want to get off the diet wagon, you got to include fruit. You got to, because you know why? It's going to push out your stomach wall. It's going to fill up your stomach sac so you actually feel satisfied every time you eat. That is so important. If you've got a lot of weight to lose, that is absolutely crucial that you feel satisfied. And long term, it's going to happen because you've got to stay on the lifestyle long enough too. So if you got that meal in your belly, then you're going to feel satisfied, and this is very healthy. So what I eat in a day, 1,500 calorie addition. That's not enough. Hang on. Oh no, it's Mario Cap. Mario sound. Oh, I don't know. Do we want to look at this one? Okay. Yep, coffee. Straight up, we have the main player in most people's diaries, food diaries, is coffee. The drugs, the dragos, the black crack. Oh, she had some fruit. Good, just a small fruit salad bowl, but good. Pesto pasta with chicken and veggies, and you can see this tiny serve, like a very small bowl, and she wants to eat 10 of them, but she's restricting to eating this. Nope. Okay, so doesn't look that excited about eating dead bird. Popcorn, 230, so another packet food coming along here. Okay. Half a banana. So these girls really are restricting their banana intake. And being the banana girl and hearing that, it's incredibly sad. It's a banana, come on. Eat the whole thing at least. Coffee number 2, 4 o'clock, because it's healthier to have a coffee than it is to have a piece of fruit, right? Like that's really bad. The black crack, get it out of your diet. More chicken, so more dead bird. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's a very boring diet. Very boring. Nothing's going on there. Well, she has sweet potato fries. That's good. She doesn't look so excited by it, does she? Her diet is not exciting her too much. But like, I mean, zucchini and sweet potatoes, not bad. 2 cookies and ice cream. This is when the fake fruit comes in, right? Oh shit, did you see how excited she got over the cookies and ice cream? Look at her face. We're going to watch this again just so you can see how unexcited she is by the rest of her day. Okay, let me turn this off. Yeah, now you can just look at her face throughout the day. Coffee, she's a bit pumped up there. You can see the eyes. She's like, whoa. We didn't see her face after the fruit. I bet it would have been happier than this. She's like, yeah, okay, it's all right. Popcorn, yeah, okay. Half a banana. Oh yeah, she pumped up a bit for the half a banana. Yeah, she did. But still, it's not enough, right? The coffee got the eyes going. Dead bird is like no response at all really in the eyes. Yeah, she's a zucchini and that. She's kind of like, yeah, because they're not sweet fruit, right? But let's have a look at the cookie face. The cookie, look. She's like, yes, this is it. Because it's just, she needs sweetness. That's all it is. You know, this is what happens when they're calorie restricting. Oh, no, it's not the way to do it, sis. Anyway, let's just play another one in the background while I have a chat. Yeah, so that's my video for today. Don't do it. Don't calorie restrict. It's about what you eat. It's not about how much. You know what I mean? Like, if you eat like how you're not meant to eat, then you are going to have to restrict. That's just how it goes. But if you eat in line with your species or close to it, like a fruit-based diet, then you're not going to have to restrict. It's total food freedom. It's amazing. You got to try it. Fruit-based diet. If you're not already. All right. Don't forget to go for yourself, and I'll talk to you soon.